Today we're going to utilize two techniques in the hair transplant field. The first one is intralucent injection technique. The second technique is smart SMP to camouflage the concerned area for this guy which is having alopecia areata. This is the area that alopecia areata is. We have a patch here, we have patch here, patch here. The first technique that we're going to use injection is called intralucent injection technique. The second technique is the smart SMP ink that will be put inside here to camouflage this area to surrounding area so the contrast look the same.